Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? I've missed y'all. I've been doing a lot of hair product reviews. I've been doing sponsored videos. You know, your girl got to make her coin too, because YouTube not paying me yet. But no, seriously. I'm laughing, but I'm crying. But no, y'all. I just wanted to I want to say hi to all my new subscribers. We almost to 700 subscribers, y'all. Like, it'll be a year this month, and I can't believe how much I've grown. Like, I thank y'all for supporting me. I thank y'all for watching my videos, sharing my videos, liking those videos, and all of that good jazz. I'm just so thankful for all of y'all out there. And if you're new, welcome. If you just clicking on this video because you like the thumbnail or whatever the case may be that you click this video, go ahead and hit that big red button down below. You won't be mad. Alright, y'all, so let's jump right into this video. Okay, today we're going to be trying on a new wig, okay? And if you like this wig, and if you haven't seen the unboxing and review on this wig, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below in the description box so you can check that video out too. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to try another curly unit today. Okay, and I got some color, y'all. I spiced it up a little bit for the fall, aka autumn. So, is y'all ready? We're gonna do a drum roll. Do a drum roll with me. Bam! Okay, do y'all see her? Do y'all see her? This is Antonia. Hi, Antonia. It's nice to meet you. And I got her in the color DR30. So DR means dark roots. Okay, here she is. Here's the stock card. Alright, so we're just going to take her out. Ooh, these beautiful curls. Okay, so here she goes. Oh, she is pretty, y'all. Alright, this is inside the wig. It has combs in the back and in the front, and it has straps to adjust it. And it looks like it just has the dark roots in the front. Because look at the back. It's just all colored. But if it's dark roots, why it ain't dark all over? But anyway, we're going to go ahead and swap these wigs out. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Let's take Sheree off. Her name is Sheree. Ooh. Ooh. So we just went ahead and took Sheree off. All right. I'm every woman. Okay. It looks like a bomb perm rod set. Okay. So do y'all like it like this? I don't. I need some fullness. I got my pick. And I'm going to go ahead and separate these curls a little bit. All right. Okay, so I have snipped and fluffed for now. I don't want it to get frizzy too quick. It looks like a perm rod set. I love the curls. I love how it resembles like a natural puff. I mean, not a natural puff. I like how it resembles a natural afro, like when I do my crochet braids. Like, this is me. This says Shanise. Like, hey, girl, hey. But I don't know. Is the color too much? Like, y'all let me know. Drop a comment down below. And plus, I think I'm like dressed down. Ooh. I think I'm like dressed down. Maybe I need to change my shirt or something. What y'all think? Should I change my shirt? Like, do I need to? I don't want to. The curls look really uniform right now. And I don't want to mess that up too quick. Or, you know, because I might send it back. Who knows? Let me spruce up myself a little bit and I'll be right back. And I'm back. I changed my shirt and tried to spruce myself up a little bit. And I don't like it. I mean, it's cute. Maybe you need to get old some more. I don't know. I like it, but then again, I don't like it. Okay, this is the back of the wig. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. The wig is very nice. The curls are nice and soft and bouncy and fluffy. Maybe I should have got it in black. Y'all think it would look better in black, or should I leave it as it is? It's not the color. Maybe it's the... I don't know what it is. But y'all just let me know. Drop a comment down below. You know what I'm saying? Even though I don't like my wig, it ain't like I can't snatch it off and put my other one back on. But if you like this wig, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you like the wig, if you like the color. Like, let a sister know, and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like, what you waiting for? You're here. You might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's the big red button down below. And if you are subscribed, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.